Well, Bentley, are you looking comfy and cosy? Are you worried about your ear test?
Julia, just look behind you. Oh, for heaven's sake.
Are you relaxed?
No drugs that were used in the making of this film.
No.
Little do you know, I gave my value meat before I left.
We got that on film.
That's alright, I've got no sound on mine at the moment.
Well, Bentley.
They really are so laid back about the whole thing. If anybody who was thinking of coming was put off by the idea that it was upsetting for the puppy, I wish they could just see this video.
Well, they can. It'll be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Well, Bentley, what would you say? Would you say it's quite a calm and relaxing experience?
Oh, yeah, I just want to go to sleep. You're lovely, you are. Come on then, Tweakle. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy. Okay. Good boy.
Please call 1311. Venus, call 1311.
There you go. Now some of your favourite music.
So much fur. Finding the target area is an interesting experience. Good boy. That's it.
Manu, please contact 1381. Manu, please contact 1381. Thank you.
Oh, it's looking good.
Good, good. Right, last ear. Everything crossed. Good boy.
Matching pair.
There's a fella.
What's this? Ear 14?
Yes. It's 14. 14. Good boy. Relax, my darling. Relax, relax. Yay! That'll do me.
Lovely.
Good boy.
Oh.
Excellent little bloke.